Jai Sri Gurudev. Good morning, children. In previous classes, I had explained you the story, the perfect portrait. So today I will start you to give the exercise work. First, I will complete the textbook work. Afterwards, I will give the writing question answer note to you. You have to write in your classwork. So you have to open page number 4. First question. See A, capital A, they are given question corner. A1. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. Why did the artist take up the job of drawing the merchant's portrait? Option A, he needed money. B, the merchant was a great subject for a portrait. C, the merchant put up a challenge that nobody could draw him and the artist wanted to prove his skill. So children, in these three options, C1 that is only correct answer because the artist had made challenge to himself he wants to prove his skill to the merchant to make a perfect portrait. Question number 2. Why did Birbal decide to help the artist? Option A. Birbal wanted to show the artist how clever he was. B. Birbal had some issues with the powerful merchant. C. Birbal was kind-hearted and knew the artist very well. So children, in this question, three options. Number C is the correct answer. Birbal was kind-hearted and knew the artist very well. Number 3, question number 3. Why did the merchant refuse to accept the first portrait? Option A. It showed him with a mustache. B. It showed him with a bird. Number C. It showed him with a bald head. So in these three options, B is correct answer. It shows him with a bird. Next, page number 5. 4. Question number 4. How many portraits of the merchant did the artist make? Option A 3, option B 2, option C 5. So here 5 is the correct answer. 5 portraits he did for the merchant. Next children, A2 question answer I will give you after complete the textbook work. Turn the page number 6. B1. Rewrite the following sentences after changing the adjective in red into adverbs. Use the clues given in brackets while forming the new sentences. So children, in Bridge Course videos I explained you about the grammar part, adjectives, parts of speech. Now 8 parts of speech. In there you can get the adjectives and adverbs, that topic. So question number 1. Shilpa is a courageous young woman. In this sentence they are given in bracket saved children from drowning. You have to use this sentence and you make the another one sentence with adverb. The red color courageous, you have to make that one adverb. So they given the courageous in adjective, you have to make that one adverb, and after that complete make a complete sentence which one given in the bracket. So you can see in the answer place I had written Shilpa courageously saved children from drowning. See here courageous is adjective, but I may change it in adverb courageously. And next 2, the cat is lazy. Option bracket given walking. So answer is the cat is walking lazily. Red color lazy is the adjective, is an adjective. It will change by adverb. Next three, the children are merry. Bracket given dancing. The children are dancing merrily. Number 4, Kamal is a happy person. Bracket does his work every day. So Kamal does his work happily every day. Full stop. See, after complete the sentence, you have to maintain the, put the punctuation mark, full stop. Number 5, Michelle is a careful driver. Here bracket given drives on highways. So answer is Michelle drives carefully on highways. If you want, you can make your own other sentence and can write in your homework book. Next, B2. Choose the correct adverbs of manners to fill the blanks. Number 1. Ravi walked dash so that he would not miss the bus. Option given slowly, quickly. So correct answer is quickly. Again I repeat once. Ravi walked quickly so that he would not miss the bus. If you may quickly walk means you definitely you can get your bus. So quickly is the correct answer. Number 2, Alicia Dash started speaking in class and everybody was stalled. Option given suddenly, slowly. Alicia suddenly started speaking in class and everybody was stalled. Number 3, let me go through my answers dash to make sure I have written them dash. Two options. They are given three options: carefully, perfectly, shabbily. So correct answer is let me go through my answers perfectly to make sure I have written them carefully. 4. Elephants move so dash. Did you know that? Gracefully, badly. So answer is elephants move so gracefully. Did you know that? Next 5. Rudolph won the race dash. Hardly, convincingly. So Rudolph won the race convincingly, not hardly. Okay children? So this answer you have to write in your textbook. When you have to come to school, you have to check correction from me. Okay? So bye children.